in this busy world that we live in. The key to making the most of your 24 hours isn't just working harder, but smarter. In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you create a children's composition notebook, a line-by-line journal with a book cover. Now let's head over to Canva. Once you're on Canva, you're going to custom size your page, change it to inches. I'm going to put the width at 7.5 and the height is going to be 9 point. Okay, so this is our page here. The next thing that we want to do is go to elements and type in, click on line, and let's add a line here. Okay, let's make this line a little smaller. All right, let's drag it out. So once you create the line, all you're going to do is just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste until you have it all the way down the page. Just continue to copy and paste and bring the line down to it's even with the rest of them. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to elements and type in cute dog outline. So I think this is cute. I'm going to drag them over here, make them smaller. I'm going to make them a little, go to the transparency and make them a little lighter. When that's done, I am going to click this, duplicate this page 10 times. Once you're done with your 10 pages, you're going to go down here to the bottom, click grid view. And what we're going to do, we're going to copy and paste these pages. So instead of duplicating each page 1 to 100, which would take so much time, we're doing copy and paste. Right click and duplicate 10 pages. And so you see that it duplicated another 10 pages. So you would do this several times until you get your 100 pages. Right click again, duplicate 20. So once you have your 100 pages, what you're gonna do is go to share, click download, change PNG to PDF print, click download, and guys, that's it. So when you're logged into your Canva account, you go to custom size, you're going to change this to inches. The width for my particular children's notebook composition book will be 15.497, and the height is going to be 9.24. Okay, the next thing I want to do is go to elements. I'm going to click on square because I am going to create my spine for my notebook. Now, depending on your measurements, yours might be a different size. Your spine. Okay. Okay. The next thing we want to do is create another square, and this is going to be where our barcode would go. Drag it down. So I know nothing would go right here for this barcode. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go back to elements and type in grass and sky background, and you can scroll down, till you find something that you like. Okay, so this is the background I have chosen. The next thing I want to do is get me a rectangle box again and elements, and okay, and this is where we're going to write in our composition information. And we're going to type in, go to text, and we're going to type in, we're going to composition notebook. Okay, let's change the font of that to 21. Okay. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is go and add a line under elements. All right. Okay, let's add a line. I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is drag your line up here and copy and paste so you can have another line below. Okay. All right, the next thing you want to do is go to text and let's add the size of the composition notebook. Size of the composition notebook. Okay, and you're gonna make this size 21. Drag it over here evenly. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to elements and type in animals, and let's start adding our animals to the page. Let's add a giraffe, make them smaller. Okay, let's add a elephant. Once you're done with the front cover, now you would go to the back side of this page, and so I'm going to add a squirrel to this. Okay, so I like the way this squirrel looks. I'm gonna make them smaller, bring them down here, and then I'm going to add an acorn. Okay, and make this smaller and bring it down here. Okay, next thing I want to do is add a bear to this page. Okay, so I like this one here. I'm gonna make them smaller. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is add a rabbit, and I'm gonna flip them around, and I'm gonna make them smaller. I'm gonna put them right here. Okay, so guys, that looks good to me. Okay, the next thing you want to do is delete these boxes. We no longer need. Once that's done, you go to share in the right corner, click download. So make sure it says PDF print, and then click download. So that's it, guys. Now that you know how to create a children's composition notebook, go ahead and start creating it. So guys, if this video has been helpful to you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification button until the next video.